What's up guys, to a new video. I'm Presley, your host. Last day I got this package from Amazon. 1 week ago I just bought it. Now it came. So let's open this package and see what is inside it. This is our thing. This is a thermal electric generator. Today we are going to use this to make energy. So watch until the end to see how to make energy with a thermal electric generator. So we have a motor here and we have a candle under this aluminum sheet. Now we are going to put the electric generator right here and we are going to connect it with the motor. Let's connect it first. Okay, now we are going to convert heat energy. First we must light up the candle. Now we have the ice. Put it up. You could see it started. So it started. See, this is actually wonderful, bro. A fan is spinning because of a little bit of fire and some ice. Okay. Oh, it's actually not that dangerous. So kids, if you're watching this, just don't only make sure you do this if you have some little protection for the fire. When you light the candle up, use a parent, use help from there. And I throw it out. Can you choose your phone? Oh, yeah, it says that. So don't subscribe if you want that video to come out. But until then, peace, I guess. Yeah, the product link of this, what is that? Thermal electric generator. Yeah, this product's link will be in the description. Go ahead and buy it. Right now, it's actually a very good science experiment. It's okay. You could see that fan actually spinning. So we could just start this video with some visuals of the project. So guys, we're ending this video by that. So don't forget to subscribe if you want to know how to charge the phone with that. You're on the project, right? Yeah. Yeah, so until the next video, see ya, bye. Oh, you check out that? He's smoking without the candle. What? Do you see that? Do you see that? It's working without the candle. Oh, bro. Subscribe.